Your Excellency, permit me to accept the protocol that has been so ably established by the Permanent Secretary. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We all live and work in a society where lawyers, litigants, and the public who deal with the courts are expecting timely delivery of consistent professional customer service by the courts. We live and we work in a society where it is always important to meet, maximize, and exceed customers' expectations. We live and work in a modern society with 24 hours internet access, which enables us to communicate and do business anywhere in the world in the twinkling of an eye. The question is comparable to those entities mentioned. Is justice still able to meet the needs of our society? We have been deeply conscious and delighted that the Ministry of Justice and Legal Affairs has answered this call with the opening of this brand new facility today, led by the Honorable Attorney General, his Permanent Secretary, and support staff. The provision of this great edifice, consisting of a third magistrate court, library, mediation center, reminds me of a speech by the late Sir Winston Churchill, Prime Minister of Great Britain, given in February 9, 1941, broadcast to President Roosevelt and the American people at a time in the history of the Commonwealth when the national security of Great Britain was most vulnerable during the last World War. I quote, "Put your confidence in us. Give us your faith and your blessing. And under providence all will be well. We shall not falter or fail. We shall not weaken or tire. Neither the sudden shock of battle nor the long-drawn trials of vigilance and exertions will wear us down. Give us the tools and we'll finish the job." Ladies and gentlemen, today, the Honorable Attorney General Vincent Byron Jr. has given us the tools. There were only 2 magistrate courts in Bar State. We have a complement of 3 magistrates. Each magistrate will now officiate in their own court. The third court, by its intimate setting, will deal primarily with civil, family, and juvenile matters. In February of this year, we started our night court dealing with traffic cases from 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. With the coming on stream of the third court, when the logistics are implemented, we are hoping to deal with family matters in the evening in this court. We deal with hundreds of customers weekly. We, as a department, realize that our task of reducing the backlog of cases before the court and timely delivery of justice. We, as a department, see ourselves as setting the strategic direction and vision for the future of the magistrate court and embrace the need to provide at all times quality service to our customers, who will often be the most vulnerable in society. The question is, who are our customers? My response: everyone who walks through the front door of the court building, or telephone us, or write to us, or need the help of the court. So, victims, defendants, witnesses, claimants, debtors, mothers, children, police officers, solicitors, barristers, the media, and the general public are all our customers. With the opening of the 3rd Magistrate Court, Library and Mediation Center, our charge is to continue to uphold the rule of law, protect the innocent, and to provide justice for all. We are aware that the courts are the final recourse for disputes, ensuring that contracts are honored, debts are paid, and that the injured are compensated. We owe it to our citizens to recognize that when they need to call on us, we will treat them with respect, dignity, and professionalism. In short, we will treat them as our customers. With this goal in mind, the 3rd Magistrates Court and facilities will be of great benefit to all. Finally, in accepting the charge, I quote again from the works of the wartime victorious Prime Minister Sir Winston Churchill, and I quote as follows: "Let us therefore brace ourselves to our duties, and to bear ourselves that if the British Empire and the Commonwealth last for 1,000 years, let me paraphrase, if the judicial system lasts for 10,000 years, men will say, this 14th day of December, 2021, this is our finest hour."